Okay, I just finished watching the trending Father Mbaka's video. You know, I saw some people discussing on their pages that Father Mbaka said something and warned evangelist Ebuka Obi not to respond to it. So I was curious, asking people to tag me on the video so that I will see exactly what he said there. You know, recently I have not been that active on social media, you know. So, but finally, I just finished watching that video. It's kind of funny. It's kind of very funny to me, you know, especially the part he said, or rather, he's warning him not to respond to this talk or this video or this whatever, as if evangelist Ebuka has ever, you know, respond to all this his side talk, all this his dishing. The thing is that I like the way Father Mbaka is still pressing this whole issue, like keep pressing it so that people will know exactly where he's heading to, so that people will know who he's talking to exactly. You know, right from day one, from the first day he made that statement, I saw Facharafancha, Adone Marinji, Abofunyafa, I said one Chukwemeka, or one name he mentioned then, this one, that. A lot of people argued with me that he wasn't referring to evangelist Ebuka. I could remember vividly. A lot of people, we argued about it, that he wasn't referring to evangelist Ebuka, that they don't have any issue. I never said they had, you know, that he was just making his preaching, his topic, his whatever. You know, a lot of people on this my page, you know. So what am I trying to say? I like the way he kept pressing this issue so that people will understand who he's referring to exactly. That he said a reverend sister came to his office and no, rather the reverend sister said that he want to quit or whatever to get married to him or something. So evangelist Ebuka cannot come out to say what someone came to his office to say. Like seriously. So he is not free anymore to preach or to say things. And again, that some or most of those people are not genuine reverend sister or original reverend sister. They just go and sew a reverend sister's clothes and put on and be claiming to be a reverend sister. Like, one thing Father Mbaka failed to understand is that he's too old for all these things. He's too old. You know, so I always talk my own. I know that most of you don't like me, and I don't care. I always say it the way it is. One thing Father Mbaka failed to understand is that all they go too old for all these things. You know, like sometimes I'm even ashamed on behalf of him coming out to start saying all these things, like making all these things. Clearly, you are just making people out there to believe that indeed you are jealous of evangelist Ebuka, because all this side talk or indirect talks, it's not making any sense to me. Then secondary, why can't you mention the person's name? Why can't you could evangelist Ebuka Kenagwa Zion Ministry? Like, it will be more okay for you to come out straight and say all these things, like I'm talking to this person, than using some of what he said or what happened to Zion Ministry or some of the words they use over there to make a speech or to, you know, throw some side talks. It's not making any sense to me. It's as if that I don't want to say the I don't want to say it. But all this whole thing is bringing division in the body of Christ. Yes. You watch here. You hear some of them borrow Igbo Adoration Enugu on social media now. You shake your head. You watch here, most of them join as a bloggers. The only thing they post that is about evangelist Ebuka's ministry. They arrange this one, that one. You will shake your head. Those are the people that are once supporting Evangelist Ebuka and Zion ministry. But since ever, Father Mbaka came out to say that all of them turned against Evangelist Ebuka and Zion ministry. But I dare all these people to come out. You see all this in the father or in the pastor or whatever that keep saying that Evangelist in a marriage, Evangelist Ebuka in a marriage, he's this, he's that. To carry Bible. I said this thing on one of my video or posts, I think, a few days ago. To carry Bible, that Bible all of us believe on. He put in water. He need the show 100%. Na Evangelist Ebuka de marriage, no fake call. No bura sekire Bible amuogi. Like Kenani, I dare any of you to come out to say it. None of you can say it. Because you know that Evangelist Ebuka is truly a genuine man of God, a genuine prophet. But amahom ihana so amam ihana no amahom like I don't know. Somebody said that Evangelist Ebuka and Adoration go for Mbaka customers, like rich people customers, that here you see that came for Mbaka Adoration Enugu. You know, some people can be crazy. Somebody said it that near for Mbaka that Evangelist Ebuka and Adoration rich men customer, rich people customers. That the only thing Juru Adoration now one day we call haka in terms of offering, 200,000 pokorol. You know, some people can be crazy. That's what somebody said. I think Matthias the Great Ekperima also made a similar statement to that. I also saw one of his videos last time that Evangelist Ebuka Mero Father Mbaka. Now Evangelist Ebuka Jiria or something that we could quote that statement to show you that most of these people knew exactly the truth. It's just that sometimes for them to come out to say that truth, they had them because of their own favorites. But somebody like me, I don't care. After all, nobody like me. You guys don't even like me, so I don't care. You know, this whole thing for me, I wish Father Mbaka will know the level how some people used to see him before he started all this, both politics, Buhari Jisenka, Moihogwa Pitobi, you know, some of these things is not making any sense. Now every Eke market day, you kept on throwing talks to Evangelist Ebuka. Yes, and Ejike ministry, and said like a lot of things that is not even making any sense to me. You know, when you even talk about old priest Mesri Fike, all Mesri Fike na East, from day one, he is not the only one. Father Day is there, Father Buzo is there. Man pass man. Father Jude is there. You can't open na Oba before Abiaro Zaho see Obusi cross through that flyover. Amazime Bono na. A lot of great men of God. Father Bemonso is there. He's not making noise. He's doing his thing, focusing. Father Oko, my father, is also there at Nsuka doing his thing. A lot of them. Not people that I can't even remember. They are there. So he is not even the only reverend father that you can say that, okay, this person is representing the whole country. I don't even know how to put it. But I believe some of you know exactly what I'm trying to say regarding this whole issue. I'll be too old for all these things. He's too old for all this social media ranting. They make kata preaching, agosi kata already or something. A switch here. Go about another person. You know, to make this whole thing worse, Evangelist Ebuka have never come out to say anything in public, indirectly to him, the way he always do it in Adoration Ministry. Evangelist Ebuka have never come out one day say like through all those words. It's as if no Evangelist Ebuka kwesiri na-eme, like the way Evangelist Ebuka should be behaving on social media. Father Mbaka behave, and now Evangelist Ebuka is now behaving the way Father Mbaka should be behaving. I said I reply here. I reply. I know you got to potassium quote to from that. Like, see, those of you that have been claiming that you have Evangelist Ebuka's secret, I want you to come out to say it. Say it. You see, those of you, Kezi Father Nka when you see church of Ukwe Mafia yourself, Nka you process pass na we kuejere na Arosi Okija. That say he has a lot of secret. I think he said something like that. He will expose, he will do it. I want many of you, I mean all of you that know secret of evangelism because of this to come out and say it, expose it. I don't need all these side talks. We don't need it. You know? So I don't understand the and don't reply this talk. If you ever reply it, I will come out and nah, it's not making any sense to me. like other day as if Saga. This thing shouldn't be funny anyways. But I'm very, very disappointed. I've been very disappointed. You know? I'm very, very disappointed. One thing I like about Evangelist Ebuka is that he don't want to lose focus. He's focused on his thing, doing his job as a prophet. One more time, now, I feel good at social media. But what I understand in all these things is that Father Mbaka is just trying to use Evangelist Ebuka to shine. Like, he's trying to use Evangelist Ebuka to make himself relevant again for all this role. That's just the only thing. He's just trying to use Evangelist Ebuka to shine, to, you know, trend. That's the only thing I understand. Oh, he knows how to play the game anyways. He knows. Because he knows that Evangelist Ebuka is the one on top now, number one. Around the whole world. And whenever he's doing these things, whenever people mention him, they're going to mention Evangelist Ebuka. Whenever people mention Evangelist Ebuka, they're going to mention him. That's the more reason why he kept mentioning and talking about Evangelist Ebuka every market day. But it's a big shameful thing that someone with such personality will always come on social media to belittle himself. Now complain week in, week out. I come like it. What are you? Let me stop here before I see my mark by the eye. I'm going to have to